Okay, so she's cooking today. Look at her. Ooh, still incoming, but it's coming along okay. We're making good pork today. And a stir fry. And yes, I am into it today. I use this and this, and I want to put my vegetables in there, so I have to eat them. Sounds like a plan. Don't ban me. Look at that color on this meat. This very beautiful pork. Yep, that's what's up. Oh boy, I can't even make this up. Look at the golden color, Lord Louise. It's very beautiful. I'm invested. So what's next? I am the chef right now, and I'm gonna tell you what's next. I put my onions, just like that, and I put my tomatoes, just like that, and I'll put my spice, just like that. There is salt too. I want to put my vegetables in, so yeah, they're gonna have to go in, so I eat them and then keep, well, not throw them away at some point. Vegetables, good for you, they're good for you. Somebody told us that we need to eat one more vegetable, and I stuck with it. That we will do over here. Okay, since we are loaded up, I'll go ahead and cover. See you later. I will be here. Look at that. Ooh, boy. Yeah, I make it better. You can't even. Yeah, you can't. Look at this. Gorgeous. Yep, made by fire. Fire it is made by. Boy, oh boy, it looks delicious already. Oh my goodness, guys, if you eat pork, you are invited. I made it good. That is what's up. Bon appetit. Yeah, I do that a lot. I applaud when I'm cooking, but good spirit indeed. Look at this. Yes. Oh, yo. Yep. Fire, bonfire. This is how we do it in the kitchen, by the way. Welcome. Enjoy the video and go make something good for yourself. Yep. This is beautifully made by me. Okay, so this is what I made. This is katogo, if you're asking. This is pork, and I'm making some for myself. Let's do this. Beans, good for you. Beans, good for you. It is fallen. Oh boy. Okay, let's go. Beans, peppers. I like to put a lot of soup. It's healthy for you. Pepper. Mokachaba for me. This actually is my favorite food. Cassava and pork. So if you make this, we are very good friends. You don't have to put the beans. Today we do that. I'll put some of this on my plate. Voila! There is a live tomato, but that's good. It's gonna walk off my plate. The less you burn the tomato, the better. Pa-bam. More meat, less problems. Girl, she whipped it, didn't she? Okay, I crack me up, but that's enough. Yeah, we are eating a brunch, a lunch, a dinner, a breakfast. We've been drinking, we're gonna eat. Bon appetit.